Now comes a major milestone, assembling the front system. We start by mounting the front wheel onto the fork. Alignment here is critical. The wheel must spin freely, without resistance or wobble. Once that's done, we position the entire fork assembly onto the frame. This step requires patience. We carefully align everything, making sure the steering axis is perfectly straight. Then, we weld it into place. This is a permanent decision. Once welded, there's no going back. So we double-check everything before committing.